wig lover, this is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of a Tony of Beverly wig called Pippa, and the color on Pippa is called Wineberry, which neither looks like a wine nor a berry color, but is a really beautiful triple copper blend. Pippa is the monofilament top lace front version of the Tasha wig by Tony of Beverly, and I'm a big fan of both of these wigs. I love the cut on these wigs. Pippa and Tasha both are beautiful, polished, professional looking bobs. You can muss them up like I had earlier, or you can slick them down, and they both will hug the face really beautifully. It just sort of gently cups the jaw here. I think that both of these wigs benefit from a good wash. So I think that the hair is a little stiff on this Pippa because she hasn't been washed yet. But in the review for Tasha, I reviewed that wig in one that I owned and had washed before. So you can kind of see what I mean. The movement of that wig is a lot less stiff. So don't take that as an indication of how this wig is going to stay long term. All you have to do is wash it once. She'll not only lay a little bit more flat, which I know a lot of people want, but she'll also be a lot less stiff. So you'll get much more natural movement from the hair. The monofilament features are fantastic. The lace front is beautifully done, pre-cut, has tiny little baby knots. They have beautiful lace fronts at Tony of Beverly. Equally beautifully done is this monofilament here on the monofilament top. It's really a well knotted top. As I mentioned earlier, Pippa by Tony of Beverly has a hand-tied monofilament top and a lace front. There is a seam in between the lace front and the monofilament top. That's pretty normal. But what you want to take a look at is how deep that lace front is before the seam hits. That's a little bit deeper than what you'll get with a lot of the other high-end brands. And that's nice because it makes it a little easier to obscure the seam with makeup or something like that, or with parting. The lace is pre-cut and contoured, which means it's a little thicker right here in the middle. That makes it a little bit more natural. It'll usually conform to the head a little bit better than one that's cut straight across. There is no permatease in this wig. She's got a open side, open back, open nape with a little bit of felt up here and Velcro adjusters. This wig will give you quite a bit of stretch, by the way, which is excellent. So if you need a lot of stretch, you may want to stick towards the Tasha being open cap. She's going to stretch a little bit better than this one will. Beautiful layering. This color is also quite luscious. The hair feels beautiful. Like Tony of Beverly makes beautiful wigs. I love their brand. So here is, especially in the monofilament, their monofilament wigs are really nice. So you see that knotting up close. There you go. So you can see those knots because some of them are a little darker than others. So in that darker auburn, it's easier to see. You can also see how this color is a three-tone auburn blend. This is a wig that's gonna be durable and it's gonna look really professional. So I really give this one 2 thumbs up. I also give 2 thumbs up to Tasha, especially if you're on a budget. Both are great wigs. This is Pippa by Tony of Beverly in the color Wineberry. I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs.com. If you like what we do here, please be sure to check out our wig store, which I just spelled out for you, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're also on Instagram, so if you want to come hang out with us there, please be sure to mosey on down to our corner of the interwebs. And until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.